QTP Arts.
Welcome young artists to QTP Arts. Today we are drawing and coloring letters Y and Z. Let's draw and paint together. First I am drawing the letter Y for Yach. Now let's draw letter Z for zebra. Purple. Let's draw and paint together. Sky blue. Let's draw and paint together. Learning alphabets is really fun while drawing and coloring with QTP Arts. See you on next video.